my YouTube channel. In today's video we are in Diani, baby. You can see behind me there's a fountain. So in today's video we are going to take you through our visit in Diani, and this hotel is Baobab Resort. For a tour of the resort, check it out on Just World YouTube channel. And in today's video, we are going to share our review of the resort. Baobab Beach Resort is located on the world's famous Diani Beach. The Baobab Beach Resort and Spa is set within 80 acres of tropical gardens overlooking the Indian Ocean. An oasis of tranquility and serenity, shaded by indigenous coastal vegetation and exotic coconut palms, the resort stretches over 500 meters of golden beach front, offering the ultimate luxury beach holiday. On to the review, and we're going to start with what others have to say about the resort. We have Riet from South Africa. He said, "The view from our bungalow was spectacular, food excellent and staff super helpful." The second person is Sebastian from Germany. He says, "Perfect location, incredible friendly staff, fair prices at the restaurant. The only thing I would improve is the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is not that strong and only available in the restaurant area." I think for him it was a bad experience, because for us the Wi-Fi was working well throughout our stay. The next person is Candice from South Africa. Baobab Beach Resort is an amazing place with friendly staff that went above and beyond to make sure our stay was great. Then we have Christina from Spain. She said, "Value for money, and it was a relaxed and nice to meet people. The rooms and bathroom are great, good mosquito nets and powerful fan. The common area is super nice and the food is very good." Honestly, this resort seems to be amazing because there was no negative comment or review that I got, and that tells you it is a worthwhile place to go. So on to our review. It is by the beachfront. That one I already said in the beginning. So you just walk to the ocean. That is a plus for anyone who is traveling for holiday. The next thing is staff are amazing, very helpful, and they are very friendly. As in, whatever you ask for, they are more than ready to give. I'm sure you have heard from another review. About the indoor and outdoor space, trust me, the space is huge, huge. If you have not watched our previous video on Just World, they have quite a number of pools because the place is huge. In fact, we only shared two parts, one which has a 3-layered pool and the other side has an infinity pool. Maybe it's because they are the ones which stood out for me. The other ones are regular pools. So this place is just amazing. When you're having your lunch, is a kind of an open area on one side, so you don't get to suffer from the heat, considering the area is humid. On the location, of course, we have said it's next to Diani Beach, and it is also next to the road, so you don't get to walk far to get to the resort, even if you don't have private means and you need to take a walk. The next thing is the quality of food. I would say the food was fresh and amazing. You know, the way you feel like sometimes you get some food which has some sort of a smell, or you can feel like it has been frozen for so long. their food is fresh. Yeah. The next thing is the atmosphere and the ambience. Of course, the look is amazing. If you have watched the video on Just World, you have seen the style is classy. The lighting is good, even in the rooms. The setup, very nice. Entertainment, spot on. I shared the different activities that they have. Most resorts have different activities, of course. They will indicate the activities at the notice board, so it's upon you to just go and check it out. But in this instance, if they have activities, they actually take initiative to remind you that it is starting maybe in half an hour or thereabout, and they keep time. If you go maybe to the room to change and then you take time, too bad for you. Then you'll see they had different entertainment activities during the day, at night, and all that, and the music was lit. You know, the other places you find maybe some cool low music that goes lower as time goes by, and by midnight it's almost going off. This one was lit and it was long. I mean, we had a blast. If you have been to Baobab Beach Resort, please let us know your experience. Comment down below. Enough. Woo! Enough. I didn't say you feel. And some croutons. Oh, and some. Thank you.
You wanna know what's beginning of love? You look so hard, but you can't see it enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God. Feel like that. Feel like, that. Feel like that. Your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Your arms and stay with me, baby. Throwing aside, I can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Your devil watching over me. Let's penetrate deep.
What is my rating of the restaurant? I would give it a clean 8. And the reason they didn't get a 9 is one, they have been able to keep away the monkeys from the restaurant, but they have not been able to keep them away from the rooms. So it gets a bit scary. If you watched my previous video, obviously you will tell at some point monkey snatched a serviette from my friend, and it was so scary because I thought, what if it hurts you? And the second thing is they need to improve on their towels. I am used to white towels in the resorts. This one they had beige, I guess. So that's another thing they might need to improve on. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much. Let us know the kind of content you want us to share during this Christmas season. Remember to like, comment, and share. And of course, if you're new, subscribe. See you on our next one. Bye.